Okay, welcome back. This is a part two of this video, and in this video will be the introduction of the system binary magic table. And this binary magic table is a money management system for binary option trading. So I will start from the beginning, which is my logo, and if you click on this logo, it will direct you straight to my YouTube channel, and we also have the my YouTube link on it and the binary magic table. So this particular binary magic table will help you to manage your it will help you to manage your capital in a way that instead of it to be looking as if you are doing gambling, it will also be an investment option for you. But all you need to do is to have a very good strategy, and you have a very good capital, at least from $500 above will be fine, and you have a very good strategy. Before you use before you trade in actual capital, please also do well to use demo systems to trade. And I have on my website I have a market which you can use a demo system to learn how to trade, and I have it. You can also use it here to learn how to trade. And I still have martingale options. I have risk calculator, winning rate calculator, payout calculator, and also have. I will still come to my YouTube channel. I will still show you. I will still come to this website. I will show you all these tabs and what it does. Okay, so in this martingales too, you can also see the martingale. This is for free, and but in this particular magic table, this is not martingale. This is pure money management sheet. Okay, so it's not like a martingale system whereby it will be giving you you put this one get no this is not it. This is a pure strategy management system. All right, so all you need to do first of all is to maybe I'll introduce it one after the other from the as we started from the up, and we'll go from the left to right. So we start from serial number, which will give you the number of trades you are going to take, and we have win enter your it says enter winning loss result, which you can click on this place. You can select either winning or lose result, win lost and winning result. Or maybe if you make a mistakes and click any of these, you just click this one and it will reverse everything back. That means this one means empty, nothing at all right? So in this trade amount, it will show you the amount of trade you are going to take in your binary option. In this case, let's use pocket option. So in this case, all you need to do in that place, you see 3.4. I think that's what I saw. Let's see, is okay, 3.38. That's the capital you are going to put. You are going to put on this stake amount. This place, 3.8. 3 3.8, right? Uh, no, 3.38, I think. Yeah, 3.38. That's what you put right there, as you can see it. Then, in these returns, once you win, you will see the return, which is in this one, you are making you make $3.11. That's your return. And in your capital portfolio, remember in this our initial capital, we have 1,000, we have 1,000 and 3.11. So that's for the current portfolio. And as you can see, the next trade is showing you one. Okay, that's because I will explain this later. Okay, so in this place, we are having calculations, and these calculations we have our initial capital, which is 1000, and initial total trade which is 14, winning trade which is 3, and percentage which is 1.92. So this 1.92, if you go to this place, you will see it's trading on 92%. Yeah, here let's highlight it. It's trading at 92%. So if you go to this place, right, you see it 1.92%. So that's for the percentage winning. You put it all this place, you put it manually by yourself, right? So in this place particular, it shows you, because I win this one, it's showing me one which is 100% winning. Okay, maybe here, imagine I lost, and you see it's 50-50. And if I win again, you see it's if I win again, uh it will be 66 and 33, and that's it. And then this particular place is a capital final, and this particular place is just based on percentage. And it will also, I don't really make use of it, and it doesn't really have it just shows the profit, winning profit percentage, ratio, and capital final, right? So that is for this side. And now here we have this session. And remember, this is reset, as the name implies. It resets and clear everything here, everything in this box, everything in this box like this. It will clear it. It will clear everything here like this. Yeah, it will clear it. It will clear everything like this. So it will clear everything here. So if I click on it, if I click on it, you said target completed, and it will enter one, which is session one. So in this particular session one, you have seen it's added, your initial capital have increased, and we have session one. That means if you go another one and go to this place, it will enter session two. If you go another place, enter, it will enter session three. So this is the number of sessions you have trade on in a day, and you can also reset it in this place. You can reset it here. You can add, and reduce in this place with this button right here. So this place is a login journal and initial balance slash date. So in this login journal, and if you this login journal have something that to do with maybe if you have a trade that you want to, after a day trading, as a trader, you also need to have a journal of your trades in a month, so that you will know if you're actually making profit, or if you need to, if the strategy you're using is actually working, or if you have two strategies that you want to be trying out. Maybe you use one strategy in a week or in a month, and also use the other strategy in 1 month, and then you compare the both. So, and the both of them will now give you actually what you really maybe the particular strategy that is performing well. As I said initially, before you try out any strategy, please do well and try it on demo, and then before you now start using it on your real account, right? And I also said invest at least $500 above. That will give you a very good amount for you to use and trade, right? So you have a login journal which will take you to this particular tab, which will show you which will come back later. Will come back later here. It will show you everything you need to know about the login journal. It will include date, initial capital, daily earning, daily sessions, and total gain on the account of the day, then the total balance. Then after everything, it will show you accumulated balance, and you can save it to your folder and reset. We soon come to this place later. So we are still on main page tab. So, and that is for this login journal, and login journal initial balance slash date, and the login journal login journal. So this is for this. So we have another screen like here, another screen here. That is this one is called compounding calculator. What this one does is we have initial capital, we have daily profit, we have number of days, we have total returns. So in this initial capital, we have first of all we have initial capital, which for example you put your initial capital. Then the next one will be for the daily profit. How much do you want to be making in a day? You can put it here. Then the number of days you want to go. Yeah, for example, I don't think anyone can trade 30 days in a month. I think the realistic ones will be at least 25 days in a month to trade. Then you put your 25 days and click calculate, and it will now show you your balance here. Then, in case maybe you know the amount you want in return, maybe in a month you are trading with $1,000, and in a month you want to be making 500, you can put your 1005 here. And the number of days, and on your daily profits you have include your initial balance here. Then your daily profit you put maybe $50 here. Then in this number of days, once you click this button, it will calculate the number of days for you to get this total balance. The same thing goes to daily profit. In daily profit too, all you need to do is to put the number of days you want, 25 days, and you put your total returns. And if you click this button, it will give you daily profits, your actual daily profit you'll be putting. Then does this daily profit take us to this particular screen? This particular screen, yes, this particular one. So in this particular side, this is your daily target. You can put your daily target to be maybe $10. In this $10, and if you have any winning here, as you can see, I have a winning here, and I click reset. It will minus it in this particular one and give me how much remained for you to go, for you to reach your daily target. And all this, as you can see, it will be going deducting it, it will be deducting it, it will be deducting it until it's done. It will show you target completed, right? And once this one is done, you will see it your session, and this one is done. That means you are done for the day. You don't need to over trade, because this system is pure money management system. So with this now, you have set your daily goal and put it here. And if you have these compounding calculators, you know that in a day you are supposed to make $15, or you have total returns you think you want to be making every month. So all you need to do is to put the amount here and get the daily target. That means you need a daily target here, or if you think that you still want to be making the daily target and you want to get the number of days, you get it here. Okay, let's give an example. I have 1,000 I want to be making, and in this daily profit, and I want to be making maybe $30 in a day. And I want to trade up to 25 days. Then if I calculate it, you see I will be making in 25 days, I will be making almost $750. So, but for example, I want to make $2,000 in a day, in 25 days. How many days? What will be my daily profit? If I calculate, it show me $40. That means if I put $40 here right now, if I put $40 here right now, all I need to trade until I exhaust this $40 for me to hit my daily profit. So I don't even need to over trade. I have a target that I need to go. So, and if maybe I don't have a particular days I just want to be trading, and I will still want to be trading with maybe $40 will be too much for me. I need to trade 30, and maybe on the number of days, if I calculate, it will give me 34 days for me to get up to $2,000. So that is for this compounding calculator. And if you can click reset and everything will wipe off. And this one too, I click on reset, everything wiped off. I click on reset here, everything will wipe off. And in this particular session, in this particular side, we have session uh, cycle calculator. In this session cycle calculator, and what this one do is to know the number of sessions for you to go to reach your profit every day, to you to know. Because right now, imagine you are trading $40 in a day, you don't even know how many sessions for you to go to complete the $40. So this calculator will help you to calculate it. For example, in this place we have 1000, and in this stake you can stake your this place we are staking 3.4, 3.44, maybe. Yes, here it depend on the stake that is showing you here. After you put your initial money here, it depend the stake, it will show you your 3.44, which is then your payout. Your payout will be this percentage, which is 92%. Then daily target. Your daily target, as we said before, you need to $40. That's your daily target. Then when you calculate it, you need to go 13 sessions for you to complete $40. That means every day you need to trade to win 13 times for you to gain your one session, for you to gain your daily target. So that's just it for this one. And in the next video, I'll be teaching you about this login, this journal. Then we now start, before we now go to our, before we might now go to our website and also do other practical trading and all that. But before then, remember that this one is for website. Once you click on this, it will direct you straight to my website, and for you to see other things there. Like this one will take you to YouTube, and this one also will take you to my website. Right. So see you in the next video.